Have you ever imagined how common kitchen ingredients can unlock natural beauty secrets? In today's video, we'll introduce you to the world of kitchen ingredients that can transform your beauty routine. Many of the solutions you need, from nourishing face masks to effective hair treatments, are already in your pantry. Are you curious about how everyday items like honey, yogurt, and oats can enhance your natural beauty? Hey everyone, join us as we explore these simple, effective beauty hacks and show you how to make the most of what you have at home. Before we start, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Curious Caboodle, and enable notifications by clicking the bell icon. Now let's dive into the video. Honey as a moisturizer. Honey is a remarkable natural moisturizer known for its hydrating and nourishing properties. Rich in antioxidants, honey helps protect the skin from environmental damage while promoting healing and repair. Its natural humectant qualities draw moisture from the air into the skin, keeping it soft, smooth, and supple. Honey also has antimicrobial properties, which can help prevent and treat minor skin infections and acne. To use honey as a moisturizer, apply a thin layer to your face or body and leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing off with warm water. This treatment can be used 2 to 3 times weekly for optimal results. Mix honey with other natural ingredients like yogurt or avocado for an extra boost to enhance its moisturizing effects. Regular use of honey can lead to healthier, more radiant skin while addressing dryness and improving overall skin texture. Yogurt for skin brightening. Yogurt is an excellent natural remedy for skin brightening thanks to its rich lactic acid and probiotics content. Lactic acid and alpha hydroxy acid, AHA, gently exfoliates the skin by dissolving dead skin cells, which helps reveal a fresher, more radiant complexion. This exfoliation process can also reduce the appearance of dark spots and uneven skin tone. Yogurt's probiotics help to balance the skin's natural flora, promoting a healthier appearance and reducing inflammation. Additionally, yogurt contains vitamins and minerals like vitamin B12 and zinc, nourishing and soothing skin. To use yogurt for skin brightening, apply a thin layer of plain, unsweetened yogurt to your face and leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing off with lukewarm water. For added benefits, mix yogurt with honey or turmeric to enhance its brightening and soothing effects. Regular application can lead to a more luminous and even-toned complexion. Coconut oil for hair nourishment. Coconut oil is a powerhouse for hair nourishment, celebrated for its ability to deeply condition and strengthen hair. Rich in essential fatty acids, particularly lauric acid, coconut oil penetrates the hair shaft effectively, providing intense hydration and reducing protein loss. This deep conditioning helps improve hair texture, adding softness and shine while preventing dryness and split ends. Coconut oil also has antimicrobial properties that help maintain a healthy scalp by reducing dandruff and irritation. To use coconut oil for hair nourishment, warm a small amount and massage it into your scalp and hair, focusing on the ends. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes or overnight for a more intensive treatment, then rinse thoroughly with shampoo. Combine coconut oil with other natural ingredients like honey or essential oils for added benefits. Regular use of coconut oil can lead to stronger, healthier, and more lustrous hair. Lemon juice for brightening. Lemon juice is a popular natural ingredient for brightening the skin thanks to its high vitamin C content and citric acid. Vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant, helps to brighten the complexion by inhibiting melanin production, which can reduce the appearance of dark spots and uneven skin tone. Citric acid and alpha hydroxy acid, AHA, gently exfoliates the skin by removing dead cells and promoting cell turnover, revealing a fresher and more radiant layer. Use lemon juice for brightening. Dilute it with water to avoid irritation, and apply it to your face using a cotton pad. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. Mix lemon juice with honey or yogurt for sensitive skin to soothe and moisturize while brightening. Regular use can enhance skin luminosity, but always use sunscreen during the day, as lemon juice can increase sensitivity to sunlight. Turmeric for skin healing. Turmeric is a powerful natural remedy for skin healing, renowned for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. The active compound in turmeric, curcumin, helps to reduce inflammation and redness, making it practical for calming irritated skin and soothing conditions like acne and eczema. Curcumin also combats oxidative stress, which can help prevent premature aging and skin damage. To use turmeric for skin healing, mix a small amount of turmeric powder with honey or yogurt to create a paste. Apply this mixture to affected areas or your entire face and leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing off with warm water. This treatment can help to reduce blemishes, even out skin tone, and promote overall skin health. Be cautious as turmeric can stain the skin temporarily, but this will fade over time. Regular use can lead to more precise, healthier skin with reduced inflammation and improved healing. Green tea for anti-aging. Green tea is an exceptional ingredient for combating signs of aging thanks to its rich antioxidant content, particularly catechins. These antioxidants help neutralize free radicals, unstable molecules that contribute to skin damage and premature aging. The most notable catechin in green tea, epigallocatechin gallate, e.g. SIG, has improved skin elasticity, reduced wrinkles, and enhanced skin hydration. Additionally, green tea has anti-inflammatory properties that help calm redness and irritation, promoting a more youthful and even complexion. To use green tea for anti-aging, steep a green tea bag in hot water, let it cool, and then apply the tea or cooled tea bag directly to your skin. Alternatively, you can use green tea extract in skincare products or mix green tea powder with your favorite moisturizer or mask. Regular use can contribute to smoother skin and a more radiant complexion. Baking soda for cleansing. Baking soda is a versatile ingredient known for its effective cleansing properties, making it a popular choice for skincare. As a mild alkaline substance, baking soda helps to balance the skin's pH and dissolve excess oil and impurities. Its okay, gritty texture also makes it an excellent natural exfoliant, gently sloughing off dead skin cells and unclogging pores, which can help reduce acne and blackheads. To use baking soda for cleansing, mix a small amount with water to create a paste. Apply this paste to your face using gentle, circular motions to exfoliate and cleanse. Let it sit for 10-15 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. Baking soda also has antibacterial properties, which can help to combat acne-causing bacteria. However, it's important to use baking soda sparingly to avoid over-drying or irritating the skin due to its potency. Incorporate it into your routine once or twice weekly for a refreshed, clean complexion. So there you have it, folks. Ensure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel, Curious Caboodle, and click the bell icon to receive notifications whenever we upload new videos. Farewell for now, and until next time, take care.